Hi guys, so want to do inventory Monday this morning. Please excuse the mess, you guys. We are just moving into our new location. Alright, so starting off, we're going to do Latisha Clutch. This is the strap. You can always move it to this side strap. Inside, it's literally just the clutch. And it's more like a silicone feel material. And then this one is the Latisha Clutch. Tanisha has the lighter colors. The Felicia one is sold out. Same thing on the inside. Literally 2 slats. You move this out. Okay, so here we have our Asia set. This is the royal blue color. As you've seen the pictures in the videos, this part has the drawstring, so you can draw it out and wear it down, or you can draw it in and wear it right beneath the boob. Super cute top. And then the leggings fit your shape, makes your booty pop. It's in 3 colors: royal blue, celeste blue, and forest green. Guys, this is the Stacy crop jacket. It is very basic and cute. You might have seen me with it on Instagram already. It's a basic item, cropped. It got, these are row pockets, 2 row pockets. Okay. And then we have the Melrose jumpsuit. It's like a dark green, a mauve, and a white and black. It's very soft. It fits to shape. It stretches. Oh, and one more thing we have I want to do for is the Parry Pants. Okay, the Parry Pants have the holes so you can see through, but up the top they have shorts so you cannot see through them. They are purple. Also, the Ocean Breeze linen pants, we now have them in black. So that's going to be it for Inventory Monday today. The waist trainer will be up on the website today. okay?